Hi. Okay, today for this video, I'm gonna show you how to build a chart that interactively goes with this drop down. So this chart will show us the sales performance for each salesperson each month that correspondingly with this drop down here. The data is from this sheet right here, sheet 3. This is the data that that is used by this chart. So whenever I uh, change the month here, the performance is changed also in this chart. Then this chart get the data from this table right here. We are using for this interactive chart, we are using a simple feature or simple function, index and match. First, I'm going to show you what index function is capable of. Index function is a function that returns a value or reference of the cell at the end of a particular row in a given range. I'll give you an example. Open the open bracket, choose the array we want to add, column, row number. Let's see, I'm going to get main for G. Main performance, that is 3,500 here. Here is the row number 2, and the column number should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we should get 3,500. Okay, now for the match, we are going to, because we need to identify cell right here by the corresponding salesperson and the month. So we're going to use match. With match is a function that returns to relative position of an item in an array that match specific value in a specified order. Okay, the lookup value of the bracket, lookup value, let's say Bob. I want to get Bob, and the lookup array a here, and I'm sorry, this match lookup value. I want to get Bob from the array of this. Match is the exact match. There are return this function, the match function, will return a value of 3 because the Bob salesperson Bob is in number the third row from this array. This will give us the input for row number and column number for the index. Okay, enough for, I think it's enough for introduction for index and match function. We're going to use it to build a chart an interactive chart like this. Okay, first I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to delete this also. We're going to start from the scratch. Okay. First, we're going to have the another table that we will use as a data source for our chart that will be on the sheet 4. Okay, first, person, copy this, special, just the value, this value. Okay, and for month, sorry, let's say January, and we'll start to put in the formula. We're going to get index. First, we're going to get the array first. This is the array we want to have. If you want, you can lock it with F4 key. The row number, we're going to use match. For the lookup value is for the row, sorry, we're going to get the row number, we're going to get with match. Because this is the row, we're going to have this as lookup value. The lookup array will be this. Close the brackets and move on to the column number. We're going to have match also, but for the column we're going to get this name of the month. Lookup value is this, January. Lookup array, sorry, forgot something. The last parameter is exact match. We want the exact match for this, and want the next column number match lookup value January. Lookup array is this list of month, and we want the exact match. Close the bracket, close it for the index function. Now we have this, and we're going to check for John, and we have to lock the array. I think every array is going to lock it, so they will not move if we copy other. Oops, there's something wrong with it. Oops, sorry. This is I think we have to lock this also. Yes. Check. Okay. Let's change this to February. Okay. That will be right. Now we have this as a data source. Now we will move on to our chart sheet, sheet 4. First, I'm going to have data validation right here as input. We're going to have data right here. data validation. I'm going to use list. The list source is here. Yes. Okay, that will work. And now we're going to insert the chart. Right click it and select the data. Add the data. There is name will be sales performance. There is value. We're going to have this as the series value. Sorry. Yeah. Oops. I think this is the series value. Sorry. And for the y axis, the y axis we will use salesperson name. Okay. I think that will be it. If you want to have another layout, I prefer this layout, and I also prefer 1000 separators for this. So performance. This I'm going to get those performance. Yep. Okay. Let's change this to August. Oh, sorry. There's one tiny thing I forgot. This will have connect with this. Okay. Now it's good. Now it works like a charm. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you find this video useful for your job or your task. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you see this video is useful. Thank you and bye.